Closing a PowerPoint presentation. In order to close a presentation, go to the Office button. Then click Close. Now your presentation is closed. Opening a presentation. We can easily open a presentation which is already saved. If the presentation you want to open does not appear on the Office menu, follow these steps to find and open it. Click the Open command in the list. This is the Open dialog box. Choose the file you want to open. Click Open. Our presentation is opened. Change the layout views. Creating consistent-looking slides makes it easier for your audience to follow and understand your presentation. PowerPoint provides a gallery of slide layouts to help you position and format slides in a consistent manner. A slide layout contains placeholders such as text, chart, table, or smart art graphic, where you can either enter text or insert elements. The list of slide layouts is as follows. Title slide. This is the default slide layout. Whenever we open a PowerPoint application, our slide will be in this layout. Title and content. It has a title and contents, which may be a table or chart, smart art or picture, or a clip art or movie. Section header. Use this slide type to separate different sections of the same presentation, rather than use an additional title slide. It can also be used as an alternate to the title slide layout. To content. Use this slide layout if you wish to show text in addition to a graphics content type. Comparison. Similar to the to content slide layout, but this slide type also includes a heading text box over each type of content. Title only. Use this slide layout if you want to place only a title on a page, rather than a title and a subtitle. You can then insert other types of objects, such as clip art, word art, pictures, or charts if desired. Blank. A blank slide layout is often used when a picture or other graphic object that needs no further information will be inserted to cover the whole slide. Content with caption. Content will be placed on the right side of the slide. The left side allows for a title and text to describe the object. Picture with caption. The upper title of the slide is used to place a picture. Under the slide, you can add a title and descriptive text if desired. A slide layout can be changed at any time. Here are the steps to change the slide layout. Click the Home tab and move the mouse pointer to the Slides group. Click the Layout button. The Layout gallery is opened. In the Layout gallery, click your desired slide layout. Now, our slide layout is changed. Working with margins. Page margins are more than just empty space. The right page margins make your presentation more readable. With narrower margins, you can squeeze more words on the page. However, having too many words per line makes your presentation difficult to read. Before printing your slides, you need to set them up. Let me give you the quick tips for setting those margins. Go to Design tab in the Page Setup group. Click on Page Setup. The Page Setup dialog box appears. From the Slides Sized For pull-down list, select the output medium you plan to use. Each choice comes with the default width, height, and orientation. If necessary, change the orientation. If you want to change the width and height, here are the width and height text boxes. Type a specific number, or use the nudge buttons to select a number. To start slide numbering with a number other than 1, in the Number Slides From text box, type a specific number, or use the arrow buttons to select a number. Click OK. The Page Setup dialog box closes. Working with grids and guides. PowerPoint has a lot of optional screen elements. Grid lines are non-printing dotted lines at regularly spaced intervals that can help you line up objects on a slide. Guides are like grid lines, except they are individual lines rather than a grid of lines, and you can drag them to different positions on the slide. Let's see how to apply grid lines in our PowerPoint presentation. Right-click your mouse on a slide. You'll get a pop-up menu. In that pop-up menu, choose Grids and Guides. The Grids and Guides dialog box appears. You can set grid values in the spacing box. This is a Display Grid on Screen checkbox, which is used to display a grid in the slide. And here's the Display Drawing Guides on Screen. It is used to show guidelines in the slide. And finally, click the OK button. The layout guides are created. Working with rulers. Vertical and horizontal rulers around the slide pane can help you place objects more precisely. The horizontal ruler shows the frame's paragraph indents and any custom tab stops. You can drag the indent markers on the ruler just like you can in Word. To toggle them on or off, click on the View tab. In the Show Hide group, check Ruler. The ruler appears in the slide. You can also make the ruler disappear by simply clearing the ruler checkbox. The vertical ruler is optional. To disable it while retaining the horizontal ruler, choose Office button. In that, click on PowerPoint Options. Click on the Advanced button, and in the Display section, clear the Show Vertical Ruler checkbox. And finally, click the OK button.